How's it going, guys? Tosh here, back on a Wednesday with another video, and I guess you could say we're looking at some dope tweaks today. Yeah, let's get right into it. So the first one is called CCSupport, and yeah, I know there was something similar to this before, but I'm pretty sure it gave me a lot of like bugs and problems. But yeah, CCSupport is very easy to install. It basically goes off of another tweak called CC modules, which you basically must get to have this one working. But yeah, CC modules, yeah, look at it. Look at how beautiful that is. I really like the fact that you can rearrange your control center icons. That's pretty cool. And the next tweak is called Home Hijack, and let me demonstrate it. Hey Siri. And there you go. I probably triggered some of your Apple enabled, or rather Siri enabled devices. But yeah, if you're not a fan of Siri, and I guess many people aren't, yeah, that's going to replace your Siri with Amazon Alexa. It's only Amazon Alexa for now, but there's a perspective of it being available for like more apps in the future. It's still in development at the moment, so you can probably count on the developing team to do that one for you soon enough anyways. The next tweak is called Rooster, and Rooster is pretty cool. So if you maybe, well, in my situation, I play games on my phone, and it's very annoying when people like send me messages and then the notifications keep popping down and interrupting my game. So instead of having to go into settings to disable your notifications, there's an easy way to do it, and it's with Rooster. So you just 3D touch on your notification, and there you can click disable notification. As easy as that. You can do it on apps that all have notifications, and so you don't have to worry about going into settings, because that's quite a complicated process. Then you go into notifications, and then you have to look for the app, find the app, and then disable notifications if you're going that route. Or you go into the settings and go all the way down to apps. I think you get my point. It's a pretty long process, at least longer, much longer than just enabling notifications from right here. So that's pretty cool. The next tweak is called TotesActivated, and this is for those of you who always get like activation messages, like errors. It's like FaceTime saying, oh, I cannot activate for some weird reason, and even after you've activated it. But yeah, this can basically get rid of that. I don't currently have that problem, but yeah, if you do have that problem, this tweak can help you. The next tweak is called BottomControlX, and it's basically like all the other slew of iPhone 10 tweaks out there. It basically allows you to reach the control center from your home bar. You can tell that this is not a very good design aesthetic from Apple, but yeah. So you can make it on the right side, on the right bottom side, or the right or the left bottom side, and you can basically just slide up and it brings up your control center. It's pretty neat and pretty quick as well. I really like it, and it brings me back to this beautiful control center. Now the next tweak is called SquareUI, and SquareUI is pretty neat. It basically gives iOS a square look. It's not really like any other operating system out there right now, but yeah, I'm not sure if you can pick that out, but I'll show you the notification. So yeah, instead of the rounded corners, you get the squared corners, and it looks quite nice actually. I quite like it. But yeah, this is SquareUI. It's pretty neat. It's all about the aesthetics. And yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.